for some fun summer snack ideas for your kids and maybe an activity to keep them a little busy too. I have some ideas today. We're gonna make some frozen yogurt snacks. The first recipe we're gonna talk about are yogurt drops. So these are really simple to make and you can make them your own. Your kids can help. Take a Ziploc bag or a piping bag if you have one, and you fill it with yogurt, your flavor of choice, and you're gonna just snip off the end of the bag and make dots whatever size you want. You can have them looking like this, sort of like small little cookie size. You could have them even smaller, so they're just little drops on the tongue. You'll notice we've added some fun toppings here. We've got sprinkles and chocolate chips, some plain ones. You could sprinkle cinnamon on there, a little granola, whatever your kid might like, a blueberry on top. Anything that you think will be fun for them and maybe entice them to try something new even. Sometimes when kids are involved with making the snacks, they're more likely to try them out. And if they want to, take a bite here and there while you're assembling the snacks, that's also fine too. That gives them that exploration, which we know can lead to kids eating more, bigger variety of foods later. So let's try making some yogurt bark. So we've got yogurt drops. Here's another option for you. So we've got our small pan here. We have you can use wax paper, parchment paper, and we're gonna spread the yogurt. You're gonna spread it thin, but not so thin that after it freezes, there's not much to break. The goal is to freeze it and break it into pieces, which we'll show you in a minute. So we're gonna spread this. I would say probably just a little thicker than a cracker. That'll help it freeze a little more evenly if you kind of get the edges about the same. All right, and so kids can have fun with this, and once they spread it out, then they have a utensil they can enjoy the yogurt from. Today we're gonna put some granola, sprinkle that on top here. Choose whatever flavor you like. I would say look for ones that are lower in added sugars. Same with your yogurt too. If you're getting a flavor like a vanilla or a berry flavored yogurt, I would go with one that has the lower added sugars. Not necessarily sugar-free. A lot of times you're gonna get some artificial sweeteners or non-nutritive sweeteners in there, and we don't want those for the kids. So just go with lower sugar. You can also do plain and add your own sweetness by mixing in honey or maple syrup. Also a great option. And something else for the kids to do, they can stir that in. So today we're gonna do blueberries, because blueberries are coming into season and will be in season early this summer. And we'll sprinkle those on top. Also a great time for your kid to have a few to snack on, since they are gonna have to wait for this to freeze in the freezer. All right, there we go. And what we'll do, we'll just put that in. I would give it a couple hours just to make sure it can get fully frozen, and then we'll show you what to do next. Okay, so this one came out of the freezer. You can tell the blueberries are nice and frosted. And if we peel back the edge of our wax paper, you see we've got yogurt bark. So to break it into fun pieces, your kids may love to help with this part. We're just gonna crack off various sizes. Let's see, we'll put them right here. You can have some larger ones, you can make them smaller. Your kid gets to choose, oh, I want the big one, or I want this one that looks like a dinosaur, whatever might get them interested. And best part, it's cold. It's gonna be kind of reminiscent of a popsicle on those summer days, but they're gonna get some protein and some other vitamins in the snack. So give it a try, and I hope you have a great summer.